Encountering a black screen on your Steam friend list in Windows 11? Learn how to fix it. Close the Steam's application. Next, you must tap the small circumflex button on the taskbar. Find the Steam app icon in there. Later, right-click that and tap Exit Steam to quit the Steam application. Hit the Ctrl, Shift and ESC3 keys together to open the Task Manager. Search for Steam in the box. Right-click the Steam process and tap End Task. Finally, search for Steam. Later, right-tap this Steam app and click Run as Administrator to run the Steam console with administrative rights. Open the Steam app. Wait till you see your Steam account image on the top corner. Tap View My Profile to open the Steam account profile settings. Next, tap View Profile to load the profile settings. On the left-hand pane, go to the Privacy Settings tab. On the right-hand pane, check the My Profile settings. Set the Friends Only or Public mode. After hitting the Win plus E buttons, go to the default location of Steam Siege program files, x86, Steam bin A, find the steamservice.exe component. Right-click that and tap Copy as Path in the context menu. In the next step, search CMD. Right-tap the command prompt and use Run as Administrator. Place this code in the terminal, replace the Steam path in the code with the copied path, and hit Enter. Steam path/repair. The Steam path address is this. C. Program files x86 steam bino steamservice.exe. The code should look like this. C. Program files x86 steam bina/repair. In your File Explorer tab, open this C-Chai program files, x86, Steam. You must find the Client TUI folder there. Select that and click Delete button on the keyboard to delete that from your device. Thanks for watching. If it helps make Sewer to hit like and subscribe.